Welcome students to next part of diesel power plant lecture. In this lecture we are going to study the remaining basic of diesel plant. Hope you will like this video. So let's get started. In earlier lecture we had studied about power. So here we will study about efficiency. So first basic efficiency is mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency. Okay. So any efficiency will have the definition of what? Output upon input, right? Okay. So your mechanical efficiency is denoted by eta mech. So eta mech would be what? Output upon input. Okay. So if I will draw here a cylinder, piston, which is connected to a connecting rod and crankshaft. Okay. So tell me which power is going to develop here? Absolutely. Which power? Indicated power. And here brake power is going to develop. So out of these two, for engine, which is output? Yes, brake power is this output and input is your indicated power. So my mechanical efficiency formula become brake power upon indicated power, students. So this is my first efficiency formula related to mechanical term. Mechanical efficiency equals to brake power upon indicated power. Great. So the next efficiency and important efficiency is thermal efficiency. Thermal efficiency. Again, the basic definition of efficiency is output upon input. But now this efficiency is dealing with what? It is dealing with thermal, right? So again I will draw here same piston, cylinder, connecting rod, crankshaft. Okay. So this thermal energy is coming from where? It is coming from this fuel, na? It is coming from this fuel here. Okay. So this fuel will have certain mass and it will have some calorific value. It would be indicated by what? CV. So the input for thermal efficiency would be what? MF into CV. So I will write here input as MF, mass of fuel, into CV, calorific value, while the output, so when the engine produces power, it is called as indicated power, and when the power produced by crankshaft would be called as brake power. So generally your thermal efficiency formula is power upon MF into CV. It is denoted by eta thermal. But if I will deal with indicated power, so this thermal efficiency would become indicated thermal efficiency. So tell me, student, this power will get replaced by which power? Indicated power. So its formula would be indicated power upon MF into CV. Similarly, this is your indicated thermal efficiency. Your next can be brake thermal efficiency. So only in place of indicated power I will replace it by what? Brake power. So it is brake power upon mass of fuel into CV. So these are my two formulae related to thermal efficiency. I hope so that this two efficiency is cleared. Good. So the next efficiency that we are going to deal with is relative efficiency. We are going to deal with what? Relative efficiency. So third efficiency that I am going to deal with is relative efficiency. See, the name itself, it suggests that we have to relate some efficiency, means compare some efficiency. Okay, so I will compare my efficiency with the best, right? Means what I am going to do is I will compare thermal efficiency with which efficiency? Your air standard efficiency. This air standard efficiency you have studied in applied thermodynamics. It is the ideal cycle, Otto cycle, right? So again, your thermal efficiency can be written as इंडिकेटेड थर्मल इफिशिएंसी, और कैसे लिख सकते हो आप? ब्रेक थर्मल इफिशिएंसी, राइट? ओके, सो ईटा एयर, so air standard efficiency formula is 1 minus 1 upon r raised to gamma minus 1, and this is been denoted by eta relative. Okay, where your R stands for what? It is compression ratio. Compression ratio, and this ratio also you know. So we will see this compression ratio in deep. So my next point is what? Compression ratio. Okay, before that, my relative efficiency formula is what? Thermal efficiency upon air standard efficiency. And what is my air standard efficiency? It is nothing but 1 minus 1 upon r raised to gamma minus 1. So for dealing or for understanding compression ratio, you should first understand the logic of volume. Again same logic, piston, connecting rod and crankshaft is there. ये इनलेट वॉल, ये एग्जॉस्ट वॉल रहेगा. दिस वुड बी योर TDC, दिस वुड बी योर BDC. Okay, so the piston will go till here. So this volume which is only occupied by air, mixture of fuel and air, is called as which volume? Clearance volume, VC. And the volume swept by piston, the volume swept by piston is called as which volume? Swept volume, VS. So यहाँ पे देखो students, so there are three volume, VC, VS, clearance volume, stroke volume. So total volume क्या रहेगा? Total volume रहेगा stroke volume plus clearance volume. So capital V would be equal to stroke volume plus clearance volume. So compression ratio, it is denoted by R. It is nothing but what? It is nothing but ratio of total volume upon your clearance volume. So how can you write total volume as? It is VS plus VC upon VC. Okay, so this is my formula for compression ratio. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको फॉर्मूला लर्न करना ही है, राइट? बट लर्न विथ बेसिक. ओके, सो अगेन हियर क्लियरेंस वॉल्यूम इज देयर और स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम है. सो स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम इज व्हाट? मीटर क्यूब. मीटर क्यूब अगर मुझे लगेगा, सो माय बेसिक फॉर्मूला वुड बी एरिया इनटू लेंथ, नो? सो एरिया में क्या कंसिडर करूँगा? pi by 4 d square, and your L would be what? Your stroke length. So the formula for stroke volume is always what? Pi by 4 d square upon L. This is your compression ratio formula. This is your stroke volume formula. Area into length, that is pi by 4 d square into L. This was all about your relative efficiency. Again, I will explain. The relative efficiency is the ratio of thermal upon air standard efficiency. Air standard efficiency deals with your ideal cycle. It is nothing but what? Ideal cycle. It is nothing but ideal cycle. Okay. Then we had seen about compression ratio Vs plus Vc upon Vc, where Vs equal to pi by 4 d square into L. Okay. Your last efficiency that is remaining is volumetric efficiency, students. So the fifth point related to efficiency is volumetric efficiency. Okay, so the volumetric efficiency is denoted by eta V. It is nothing but the ratio of actual volume upon stroke volume. Stroke volume is your ideal volume. It is not possible. Okay, so eta V में कैसे लिखूँगा? Actual volume upon stroke volume, right? Or I can write it as mass of air upon mass of air per second. Dot means what? Rate. Okay, so if I want to find this m dot, your basic formula you know, PV equals to MRT. So for this you have to find Vs dot, student. See, you can use this formula or you can use this depending upon your question. You can use volume related formula or mass related formula. If you are using mass related formula, then Ma dot you will find out by using this equation, where this is called as a characteristic gas equation, where R is 287 and T should always be in Kelvin, students. And if I want to find Vs dot, what is this Vs dot? Stroke volume per second. This is what? Rate. Rate का मीनिंग ही क्या रहता है? Per second. Okay, so मेरे पास Vs है, so I will multiply here by what? Capital N, RPM, but it is in minute. Second के लिए divide by क्या करूँगा? 60 करूँगा, student. So this is my formula for volumetric efficiency in terms of volume or in terms of mass. If you want to find in terms of mass, you will use this equation, and Vs dot, it is Vs into N upon 60. Great. So your last basic is specific fuel consumption. Specific fuel consumption. It is denoted by SFC. Okay, specific fuel consumption. देखो नाम में ही है. Fuel consumption means how much amount of fuel it is consumed. How much amount of fuel it had consumed. So fuel consumed. To how much amount of power it had developed. So it is power consumed. So if it is related to indicated power, so I will write here as IFC. So fuel consumed. Fuel means mass of fuel. Great. Upon power. Which power is this? Indicated power. So I will write here IP. Similarly, this was for indicated power. BSFC, it will denote what? Base specific fuel consumption. It would be MF upon BP. So student, this is your two formulae for specific fuel consumption. So this was our end of basic of diesel engine. I hope that you understood this video. So we will end our lecture. Thank you.